Hello everybody, and we're back for another wig review here on Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. Today I am going to be reviewing another Outre wig from their Wigpop line, and this is Annette. And I'm not sure if I'm really gonna like this wig, but the information that I provide for you will help if you're even considering it, so that you can get a visual and then you decide whether you want to purchase it. As always, I'm going to have all of the information in the description box, where I purchased it, the amount, everything, colors, it'll be there for you, so don't worry. But we're going to check this wig out and see if we like her. Stay tuned, everybody. So this is Annette straight out of the pack. Again, I don't even know if I like this style, but here goes. Here is what she looks like on the inside. It's a standard construction cap, as always. In the back, we do have the comb at the nape along with your adjustable band, and we do have two small combs on the right and left side, and the combs are this size. Let's go ahead and start putting her on, and then we'll be back with the finished look. So stay tuned. Back wearing the Annette wig by the Outre Wigpop line. The color that I'm wearing is maple brown, and this particular wig can hold up to 400 degrees worth of heat. I have to remember that every wig that I review, I'm giving my personal opinion. I don't want to influence anyone to say don't buy it or buy it. I just want to present the information to you, and you decide for yourself if you want to purchase the wig. I can't get past the style. I don't know. Some persons might end up liking the style, but for me, again, I don't like the style. But it is fun. I love this color, the maple brown. Let me come up close. And I'm going to do what I normally do. I'm going to turn to the side so that you can see it from different angles. Hopefully you were able to see her. Again, I do like that it fits comfortably. I love the color, but I just don't know about the style. It is easy to wear. I just kind of put it on and I was ready to go. Maybe if I tuck some of the hair behind my ears, maybe it'll look better to me. I don't know. Anyway, I've given you the information. Hopefully you were able to decide, or hopefully the information I provide will give you enough for you to say, nah, I'm going to pass on this one, or yes, I want to try it out. The bangs on this particular wig, I notice, is a little bit thin, but that may be a good thing, because sometimes you can get a wig where the bangs are like woof, right in your face, like woof, right in your face. These are not like that whatsoever. These are very not too thin, but they're just enough for you to play with them. And I like that. I do. This could be a work wig. It could be a fun day out where you just throw it on, maybe put a cap on, and you'll look just as divine as ever. So until next time, thank you for joining me on the Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. And you know the drill. We'll be back next week with another wig review. Until then, take care of yourself and each other. And thank you all so much for all of you who have subscribed. I'm loving it. Thank you so much. Take care.